Python requests, no connection adapters. I'm using the requests, HTTP for Humans library and I got this weird error and I don't know what is mean. Anybody has an idea?
You need to include the protocol scheme. Without the HTTP :// requests has no idea how to connect to the remote server. Note that the protocol scheme must be all lowercase. If your URL starts with HTTP :// for example, it won't find the HTTP :// connection adapter either.
One more reason, maybe your URL includes some hidden characters, such as there. If you define your URL like below, this exception will raise. Because there are the URL in fact become.
In my case, I received this error when I refactored a URL, leaving an erroneous, thus converting my URL from a string into a tuple. My exact error message. Here's how that error came to be born.
As stated in a comment by Christian Long, your URL may accidentally be a tuple because of a trailing comma. Make sure it is a string.